Uncut.
'04 Nissan Altima.
Same car we've been doing.
How to remove shift boot, or shift knob, whatever you call this thing. Usually they twist and then slide down.
Oh.
And then, so just to show that again, twist and slide down.
There you go.
And then if you ream it up,
Just really work the shaft there.
maybe it unscrews. Yeah, this one unscrews.
It's an unscrewer.
Look at it go, look at it go.
Woo. It's gone.
You still can't get this piece out. Either way,
It's this fucking guy's in the way.
if you want to replace your shift knob to some sort of fancy knob, that is how you would do it. Which would also allow you to probably take this apart more. But that's how you remove the shift knob. And then if you decide you want to put it back on because you want to drive your car, you screw that in there.
Yeah, work that knob.
Nice and tight.
Work that knob.
Up and back on, and ta-da!
Ta-da!
End.
And